In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Pinterest account public. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open Pinterest and log into your account. So go ahead and either use the app on your smartphone or head over to the Pinterest website on your computer. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your main feed, filled with all those beautiful pins that inspire you. Next, you're going to want to click on your profile picture. You can usually find this in the top right corner of your screen. It might be tiny, but it's an important step in this process. Once you click on your profile picture, it will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your boards and everything you have saved. Now, once you're on your profile page, you'll need to click your profile picture again to open up your settings. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial because the settings menu is where all the magic happens. So don't skip this part. After you click your profile picture a second time, look for something that says Profile Visibility. This is typically a section that determines who can see your profile and your pins. Here, you will notice an option that mentions Private Profile. If your profile is set to private, only you can see it, which is great for keeping things to yourself, but since we want to make it public, that's where we'll need to make a change. Once you find the Private Profile toggle, you'll want to click or tap on it to turn the switch off. When you do this, you should see an indication that your profile is now set to public. Take a moment to appreciate that. By making your profile public, you're giving others the opportunity to see your pins, your boards, and to follow you. This kind of visibility can really help you share your interests and ideas with the Pinterest community. And there you have it. Your Pinterest profile is now public. With this simple action, you've opened up your world of inspiration to others. You can expect to connect with people who share your passions, follow those who inspire you, and discover new ideas that you can pin for your projects. Now let's take a moment to discuss the advantages of having a public profile. With your account set to public, your pins can show up in search results. More people can discover you and your boards, and you may gain more followers who are genuinely interested in the content you curate. This can lead to enhanced interaction, getting your ideas noticed, and even becoming part of larger community trends. Of course, always remember to pin responsibly. Public profiles mean that everything you post can be seen by anyone. So keep an eye on what you share and make sure it resonates with you and the type of audience you want to attract. If at any point in the future you decide that you want some privacy back, you can always go back into your settings and switch the Private Profile option back on with just a few clicks. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you find it easy to follow and comprehensive enough to make your Pinterest account public smoothly. If you learned something today and found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Thank you for joining me, and